With me today I have Kim Carmona from LMA Recruitment. Hi Kim, can you tell me a little bit about yourself and your background please?
Hi, my name is Kim Carmona and I joined LMA 15 years ago in our first year in 1999 to establish the temporary and contracts desk. I previously worked for Alternative Financial Recruiter for many years within the temporary market, and prior to that within the banking sector.
Could you tell me a little bit more about the temporary team setup and what's covered?
Yeah, we're a team of three, and we specialise specifically within the temporary and contract market within the financial services sector. So we cover all product areas to include fixed income, equities, investment funds, treasury, commodities, and we cover this for all back office and middle office roles, as well as more specialist areas such as trade finance and loans, credit and risk, compliance, accounting roles, also BAs and project managers.
And what sorts of institutions within the financial sector are recruiting temp staff at present?
The larger investment banks and banking groups have traditionally always taken temps on in a bull and a bear market, and they continue to do so, although a lot of these have moved outside of London recently to other UK cities. But I am pleased to say now that we're seeing a much larger increase for requests from our SMEs, from our smaller, medium-sized clients who, since the credit crunch, have not really been recruiting enormously, but now are looking to take on extra temporary staff and temp to perm as well. And these are international clients, international banks, also includes asset managers, commodity houses, online stockbrokers, just to mention a few of our clients.
Are there any particular markets you're seeing a greater demand for temporary staff so far this year? And if so, why?
Okay, I think the most significant increase in staff has been within the compliance area, and specifically within the KYC and AML space. I think over the last couple of years we've seen a greater demand for these sorts of staff. And also recently more generalist compliance roles, advisory roles, financial crime as well. With the new regulations that have been brought on over the last few years, again, we've had more regulatory roles within risk and regulatory reporting as well. And I'm actually pleased to report as well that over the last quarter we've seen a number of requests for graduates again. It's been a really tough year, or few years I should say, for the grads, and now a number of our clients are looking to take on grads within the back office and credit areas, and some in temp to perm situations, so it's really positive to see and hope this continues.
Excellent, that's good to hear. Is there anything else you'd like to add about the temporary market at all?
Okay, I think just to say that really the increase, as we mentioned, due to the new regulations and lack of expertise in the markets, various projects, restructures, and increase in volumes within businesses. And temps are a really quick way to recruit. And while clients are looking for permanent candidates, a temp is a good way of bringing in expertise, and also looking at the temp to perm option as well. I would like to add that within the sort of the temp to perm route is a very, very effective and successful way of recruiting, especially in a buoyant market. If you have a good temp on board, to convert someone into a permanent role is a very smooth and easy way to do this, and both parties know exactly what is actually there. So we have seen a significant increase this quarter in temp to perm conversions, which is good to see. And in conclusion, as in any bull market and an increase in certain skill set, it will become harder, I think, to find good candidates, and temp rates will increase and become more competitive to basically to keep good people on board and tempt them within the businesses. I mean, already we've seen this year one candidate, for example, within the equities market, they had 3 interviews in 2 days and were offered all 3 jobs. This time last year, we hadn't seen any equity roles. So I think with the anticipated growth, the increase of demand will be there for temporary staff this year, and temp to perm opportunities as well.
Kim, that's been very interesting. Thanks very much for your time, and look forward to talking to you again soon.
Okay, thank you.